Alright, Alden has to get some school done, so he's going to practice writing his name with all small letters and all big letters. This was an experiment that we did last week, an Apple investigation. That was fun. I found this just to print for free online. I can't remember if it was a website that I found from Pinterest or just Googling. And then he has to do more work in his book.
I'm not fine right now.
We've gone through a good chunk of the book already. I just picked this one up at Target. And we have some easy addition on the board. This was from last week as well, when he was just writing his name. I do have paper that's with those lines so that you can, you know, not have to draw lines yourself. I just decided to do it
You could write
on this paper.
With this?
No. No, that's to erase. Pencil. Leave the board alone.
I'll just say,
Do your work.
okay, man.
So you trace this one,
know.
and then you write it by yourself. I love the little desk that we got him, though. Just a simple, like, $30 desk from Amazon. We have a little bitty pumpkin already. So that's what we're doing this part of the day, getting his schoolwork done, and then we gotta go to Target later to get some dinner. I gotta get cake mix to make him a cake for his birthday. His birthday is on Monday.
3 days, boy.
Yep, 3 days.
They were like important.
Come on, do your stuff. So yeah, that's what we got going on. Alright, happy October 1st. Oh, it's officially fall. It's finally October. The weather's starting to cool down. This past week we did get back up in the 90s again, but hopefully no more of that. I hate it here. I just showed you guys Alden getting started on his school work. He ate. He's working on that. I'm probably going to go check on him before I find something to eat because I'm starving. I don't know what sounds good. I just kind of want something quick and easy. And I need to sit down and make a list for Target because we need to get something for dinner. We need more bottled water. I need to get cake mix because Alden wants me to make his cake. I think yellow cake with chocolate frosting sounds really good, but he wants chocolate cake with vanilla frosting, so I'm going to do what he wants for his birthday. We did this. Let's see. Okay, he did his all capital letters to write his name. All your lowercase. You wrote a little big. You're supposed to say in the little lines, but you're learning, so that's okay. Hard for you guys to see the pencil writing, but he's doing really well. I'll go in there and get you started on your book, so go sit down. Alright, that's what I'm going to go do. I'm going to go get the book open, show him what he needs to start on, and then find something to eat. Because I'm so hungry.
I was going to make cake. Oh, I got a Lego City really quick.
Okay. My psoriasis is so bad lately.
I got 2 on the one.
It's really popping through.
I got 2 on the one.
Awesome.
And then I got the play over here. I want the one.
Yeah, he's cool. Put your game down, though.
I was like on it. I got it locked.
Okay. Well, he needs to show me something, and then he has to put the Switch down so he can go get some schoolwork done. I told him before, no games for a little while, so I need to go get him settled and off of his game. So I will come back and talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright, first things first. I'm gonna put all of these dry dishes away and then try to organize some stuff. These sugar cookies from Target are so good. I had the 4th of July ones back in July, and I don't know what it is. They're like the most simple little sugar cookies, but they are so good. I might get another pack at Target tonight because I'm so low and I love these. So it had like little ghosts, pumpkins, and there were purple witches, I think, but there are none of those left. But definitely check these out when you go to Target. This is also really good in the like fall snack section, kind of over by the Halloween stuff, at least in my store. This was the only trail mix I found that doesn't have raisins or other dried fruit. I hate that. That ruins trail mix for me. This one has like Muddy Buddies in it, peanuts, kind of like Reese's Pieces, chocolate, is there chocolate chips in here? No. There's other little chocolate candies in here. It's so good. So, I did have to keep it in the fridge for a little while though, because the chocolate pieces melted because it was so hot. So yeah, I'm going to clean this up, put everything away. Alrighty, all the dishes are put away. I think later I want to open the new bag of apples and wash them all and then put them back in the bowl. That way they're ready to go. So I ran in Dollar Tree last night, and this is everything that I picked up. I just grabbed one of these. I didn't know they had these. I'm guessing they're just out this year. It does say Christmas House, so I guess they just brought these out with the Christmas stuff. I also got some Jingle Bells. I got like a mix of Christmas and Halloween. I did pick up a pack of the mini skeletons. Not entirely sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I regretted not getting them the last time I went, so I made sure to grab them last night. And then my store finally got some of these in, and I just thought the pink was so pretty, and it would look super cute sitting next to my pink velvet pumpkin. I like the like girly Halloween stuff. And then I picked up some of these little chalkboard tags, some of this Crafters Square deco tape for planning and journaling. I also got some of these cute little pumpkins. This was new at my store, the vitamin C serum. And then I grabbed these color your own ornament trees. Got this cute notebook. More planner stickers. I swear they have the cutest planner stickers. And then I got these gnomes because they were too cute. I plan on crafting with them, but if I don't use all of them for a craft, then I will probably just use them as ornaments for my tree. And I had to get the stocking. It was way too cute. They also had red gnome stockings, but I liked the gray. I might get a second one. See, I'm the kind of person that, like, I prefer the traditional red and white stocking over any other kind of stocking, but, like, this guy was too cute. I could not leave him. And then I got 2 of these ornaments. I thought they were super duper cute. What's weird is I picked this one up not even realizing, like, it doesn't jingle, and this one does. So it doesn't matter to me though. You know, it's still super cute either way, but how does one of these not have the jingle bell? I picked up this book really just to use for a craft, but it kind of sounds good at the same time, so I don't know if I will be reading it or if I'm just gonna use it for my craft. And then this is my favorite Ajax dish soap. I really like this scent, so I had to pick up another one of those. They're always out of this stuff. I should just buy like 5 at a time so I always have some on hand. But yeah, I like that stuff. And then I had one of these for Alden. Not sure what happened to it, so I just picked up another one. Manuscript tablet. I wish the paper was better though. I wish it was like white. I hate this kind of gray color because obviously he uses pencil to write his letters and numbers, and I just feel like if it was on white paper it would show up better, but it was $1, so I'm not gonna complain. So that is everything that I grabbed yesterday. I actually went in to get those little wooden craft balls, you know, with like the holes in them that you can make the garland with and stuff, and of course the store that I went in didn't have any. So I did order a big variety pack off of Amazon, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, I'm excited to have stuff to start crafting for Christmas, but also stuff to craft for Halloween. I really want to figure out what to do with these guys. I definitely think I want to paint them and then go from there. This guy has like no neck. What is going on there? But yeah, my little haul. Alright, so I just got home from Target. I got the chocolate cake mix and vanilla frosting because that's what Alden wants for his birthday. And then I also grabbed yellow cake mix. I don't know if I'm going to make a second cake or if I'm just going to keep it to have it on hand. I also got black and orange sprinkles and this awesome coffin pan with a skeleton on it that I figured I could do his cake in. And then I'm super excited for these cute Halloween lights. I couldn't decide between all purple, so I just went and got the purple, green, and orange. They were only $5. So excited! Much decor in my room, but for now I have my little pink skull and my pink velvet pumpkin and one of these gumball machines from Target that everybody has been after. I actually haven't been looking for one, but I saw several of them at my store, so I grabbed one. So I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do with it. So that's all the little decor going on in my room at the moment. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure what all I captured today for this vlog, but I guess I will see when I upload it to my computer. Hopefully it was decent enough for my first October vlog. So I guess we'll see, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye!